My dishwasher is Wi-Fi enabled. It's an odd feature but does enable me to upgrade it with some smart lights for a fun project. In this video I walk through why I added some Govee smart lights to avoid a first world problem most dishwashers have in the average home. We own a Genair Wi-Fi enabled dishwasher. Genair is a luxury brand that specialises in various home appliances, such as our Wi-Fi enabled gas range, which I made a video about last year. The fact it's able to connect to an app is a rather superfluous feature that ultimately doesn't really have a lot of utility, unlike our gas range where it is useful. While we can adjust the settings via the app and even remotely start the dishwasher under very specific circumstances, ultimately when you load the dishwasher it's more convenient to simply use the controls on the machine. However, there is one problem it does solve, and by problem I really mean a first world problem that lends itself to making an equally superfluous video about it. If you've ever accidentally opened your dishwasher mid-cycle, you've probably cursed your luck and bemoaned the fact you have to shut the door and restart the dishwasher again. It's easy to do with more modern machines where they run more quietly. The quiet noise levels can be compounded by the fact that the running light included in some dishwashers is barely noticeable, especially in daylight. Thanks to the power of Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa, a Govee LED light strip in the Genair app, I've upgraded my dishwasher so it will never be in doubt as to whether the machine is running ever again. As mentioned, there are 3 steps to my setup. The first is a Govee LED light strip that's compatible with Google Assistant, although this setup will also work with Amazon Alexa. I luckily have a convenient power socket under my sink where I can run the light strip from. Then I cut the strip to size and stuck it along the underside of the door of the dishwasher to conceal it. The second step is connecting the Genair app to my Google Assistant account in the Google Home app. The third step is connecting the Govee app to the Google Assistant as well. I've already connected both apps to the Google Assistant and some other projects, so it was just a case of adding the Govee light strip to the official app. To recreate my setup, the next step is to enable all the devices to interact with each other. For my home, I mainly use the Google Assistant and Google Home devices using routines, which are now called automations. The first step is to tap on the Automations tab and then Add. It doesn't matter if the automation is available to everyone in your household or not, as it will be triggered automatically. Then the next step is to name the automation. Then tap Add Starter and choose when a device does something. Then scroll down to the room where you have the dishwasher located. Tap on it and then tap Starts or Stops. The toggle is already set to Starts. Then tap Add Starter. Next tap Add Action and then Adjust Home Devices. Scroll down and find the LED light and select Turn On or Off. One thing for the Govee light strip specifically is that unless you specify a light colour or effect in the Google Home app, the light effect last set in the Govee app will be the one that's activated. Then tap Add Action and Save. You'll also want to create a second automation that turns the light off at the end of a cycle. To do this, you can create a second automation, which you can then label Dishwasher Off, or something similar. Now choose Add Starter and then when a device does something. Now choose the dishwasher and then Starts or Stops and toggle the option to Stops. And now tap Add Starter. The next step under Actions is to tap Add Action and then Adjust Home Devices. Scroll down to your dishwasher light and choose Turn On or Off, and then toggle to Off before tapping Add Action. And now you're all set. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.